Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Me llamo Supriya, estoy enseñando español. Let's get started with today's topic. In last class, we had done the verb hablar, that means to speak. It is a regular verb, AR ending regular verb. In today's class, we'll do another one of AR ending regular verb, that is escuchar. Escuchar means to listen. Escuchar, E-A-C-U-C-H-A-R, escuchar means to listen. It is another AR ending regular verb. So as I told you, you just have to remember one AR ending regular verb and you will be able to conjugate other AR ending regular verbs similarly. So like I'll do escuchar for you guys, so you'll understand how you are going to do the conjugation for escuchar. So this pronoun chart is here, I have already made, and so your form of escuchar will be escucho. Like your form of hablar was hablo. So you are supposed to remove AR and replace it with O. Escucho. Escucho. Now, two form of escuchar would be escuchas. Like two form of hablar was hablas. Escuchas. Sorry. Escuchas. Like two form of hablar was hablas. Now, third person singular number, él, ella, usted form was habla. So for escuchar it would be escucha. Escucha. E-S-C-U-C-H-A. Escucha. So you can see like it has become very simple. If you remember the conjugation of hablar, you can easily conjugate the verb escuchar. Escucho, escuchas, escucha. Now the nosotros form of hablar was hablamos. And so for escuchar it is going to be escuchamos. 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 Nosotros form. Now vosotros form of hablar was habláis. Habla, habláis. 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 With an accent on A. So vosotros form of escuchar will be escucháis. Escucháis. Escucha with an accent on A. Escucháis. Escucháis. Vosotros form. Now ellos, ellas, ustedes form would be what was it for hablar? Hablan. Hablan. So for escuchar it would be escuchan. Escuchan. So see, if you know the conjugation, how to conjugate hablar for simple present tense, then you can conjugate escuchar similarly, or for that matter any AR ending regular verb you can conjugate in similar, following the similar pattern, same pattern. So escucho, escuchas, escucha, escuchamos, escucháis, escuchan. Now I'll deal with examples. You all listen Latin music. So you all would be vosotros, second person plural number. So vosotros, vosotros vosotros. And vosotros, what is the conjugated form of escuchar for vosotros? Escucháis. Escucháis. Vosotros escucháis Latin music. So, la música latina, because Latin is like adjective. They listen music, and what kind of music? Latin. So, music is musica, and musica is ending in a. So, it is feminine and singular number. So, feminine article would be la. For feminine gender singular number, la música latina. La música latina. They listen very carefully. So they is third person plural number. So it would be ellos, they, ellos is plural number for masculine gender, like instead of el we are using ellos, and for girl, if we are talking about only females, then it would be ellas. But when gender is not mentioned, we generally pick masculine form. So that's why it is ellos here for the ellos. And for third person singular number, what is the plural number? What is the conjugated form of escuchar? Escuchan. So ellos escuchan. Ellos escuchan very carefully, muy carefully is cuidadosamente. Ellos escuchan muy cuidadosamente. Or you can say they listen with care. Then it would be ellos escuchan con means with, like it's pronounced, con cuidado. They listen with care. Next example is I listen songs every morning. I is yo. What is the yo form of escuchar? Escucho. Yo escucho songs is canciones, like in plural form, and it is feminine, so feminine gender and plural form, it would article would be las. Yo escucho las canciones, songs every morning. For every morning, the structure would be todos. Todo means every, and in plural form todos, and todos, las, and morning is mañanas. Las is article for feminine gender and plural number, and mañana is ending in a, so it's feminine. Mañana. Todos las mañanas. That would be I listen songs every morning. Now another example is Priya listens podcast each day. So Priya is name, we all know Priya, and a name is third person singular number because it's only Priya. If I would say Priya and Sushma, then it would have become third person plural number. but I have only taken one person's name, so it is singular third person singular number. Priya listens. Priya, and third person singular number is escucha. Priya escucha, and podcast is like same in Spanish, but you have to read it like podcast, and it is masculine. Whenever we take like in Spanish, whenever you take word from other language, it is mostly masculine. So el, masculine gender, article for masculine gender is el. Priya escucha el podcast. El podcast. And now each day, for each day we will say cada. Cada means each. Cada day is dia with an accent on I. Cada dia. Priya escucha el podcast cada dia. So now you can make your own sentences using this chart and this chart, and that's it for today. Adios, hasta domingo.